Unassigned roster feature allows you to fill your empty shifts with temporary placeholder without having to assign workers individually. In order to create unassigned shifts for future schedules, follow listed steps. Click on the and sign in line with unassigned and your desired date. A pop-up window appears matching your given criteria. Select client, site, task, and other details as required. Unassigned worker is auto-selected. Enter your ideal roster requirements in text box. Click Add Roster button to create a roster. Page will be refreshed and entry will be marked in purple color showing the number you entered in front of unassigned worker. You can enter multiple planning according to your client requirements. In order to finalize the rosters, simply right-click and edit roster. You will see breakup of your submitted planning as per clients. Start assigning roster to desired workers and it will move particular roster from unassigned to selected worker in draft mode. Later you can follow same procedure to publish rosters to workers. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.